Okay, great. So let's move to the selection constraint, and in this part we'll do a simple thing in order to explain the selection constraint in my modeling tool, and probably I will select it like that. This left line, this bevel, multi-point one, 2 segments. Okay, so let's move to the selection constraint. Let's select by angle, maybe 20 degrees. Let's move to the face component, and as you can see, we're picking on the angle, and easy like that we can just select all these faces, and if it's different at the 20-degree angle, it won't select. Simple as that. Yep. Okay, so this is for selection. Definitely you can play the same with edges, with vertex points, etc. So it's simple like that, and this is one command which requires user input. Okay, so for a border, we can the faces and try to find the border. So as you can see, trying to select only the border will be edge, only the border edge, or all vertex on the border. Okay, so let's move to the edge loop. Okay, so for an edge loop, let's select the line. Yeah, this is the edge loop. Great. So what next? We can go to the edge ring. Same thing. As you can see, allowing select the edge ring. Great feature. Okay, so let's move to the shell. So shell, it's like selecting an object. Yeah. Okay, and UV shell, it's definitely in UVs, but it's yeah, it's good, but I bet it's same thing, you know, to select it in UV editor, and sometimes it's even much more faster if it's a loop. Okay, so yeah, it's a simple things like that. We can use select constraint in order to easier select the mesh. Okay, so this is it for today's tutorial, a shorty one. Okay, and we will move to the next one.